Brace yourself for a sensory assault like no other, as we delve into the world of the most offensive smells known to humanity. Imagine a scent so vile, it could make your stomach churn and your eyes water. From the putrid stench of durian fruit to the foul odor of surströmming, these are the most offensive smells in the world. The infamous aroma of the corpse flower, resembling rotting flesh, will leave you gasping for fresh air. And let's not forget about the overwhelming stink of skunk spray, a pungent reminder to keep your distance.